Here's this device, this cloth shaver, and it's not working. It is flashing red, and that's because this portion, which was on the top, grabbed a larger piece of material, textile, and the motor's rotation was blocked and it was not rotating. Now I removed it, I cleaned it, and let's see how to get rid of that red flashing light and how to make it turn again. It is turning freely by hand but not electronically. So get a micro USB cable, the other end is plugged in, and it's rotating a little bit, and it's fully functional. So by plugging in the power a little bit, a short amount of time, it is enabling it once again. Now we can put back this knife, spinning knife, just mount it onto that shaft. Now put this on, it has a thread on the side, which should enter into this portion. It's not too easy to thread it on because the thread is thin. Yes, it's not perfect, we have more gap on the right side. Now it's better. It sounds different. There is a little bit of friction between this metal mesh and those knives. And put this on also. This can be attached using these clips on the side, 2 of them, and attach it there into the gap and then twist it